Measurement Data on Demand, the integrated digital measurement data service, simplifies processes all around quality assurance protocols and documentation. You want to make sure that the high-quality requirements for your products have been met anytime and anywhere without the need to print and file measurement reports? Typically, they are unavailable exactly when they are needed. Thanks to R&M's Measurement Data on Demand, you can save time, paper, and resources for all project participants. How does this innovative service from R&M work? The QR code with a link to the R&M measurement database makes measurement results and product data of the product available in digitized form and clearly linked to the product at any time. A label with the DataMatrix code and the serial number is now affixed to the kink protection of R&M connectors. The code can be read using a smartphone. It contains an internet link that leads directly to the report area on R&M's website. There, existing measurement results, specifications, and further details on each individual connector of an assembly can be found. The values can also be viewed by directly entering the serial number. Thanks to the innovative service, it is possible to precisely trace the connectors back to the production steps. The link in the QR code not only leads to the measurement data, but in future also to matching news, manuals, and videos. This makes it easy to call up installation instructions using a smartphone. Find more on the topic at rdm.com/report.